All right, what's up? It's Sunday, July 19th, 2026, and we're here in Elizabeth, New Jersey. We're at the Puerto Rican Day Festival here. And yeah, there's some people here. The weather is amazing. It's 81 degrees. It's 3:43 p.m. We're on the corner of First Street and Elizabeth Avenue. We're going to be strolling in to the festival. My first time here. Never been here before. I've been to the other ones, the Perth Amboy festivals and all of that, which is kind of a close connection, Elizabeth and Perth Amboy. So yeah, we're going to be walking around, checking this place out, and see what happens today, see how it is. But yeah, there's supposed to be food trucks, live events, a lot of good stuff going on today. So we're talking about, I think this has been going on for a few years. Okay, we got it. All right, so yeah, let's stroll. So it's a 2-day festival. So it runs Saturday and Sunday. And there should be a lot of people here today because yesterday the weather was so bad. We had really bad weather yesterday. So we had a lot of thunderstorms and all that. So we're expecting a lot of people today, I think, at this festival. So I did check out the park online and it looks super awesome. This park looks so awesome. So I think we're in for a nice place that we can maybe start doing a little bit of video here. Add this to our rotation. Wow, there's a lot of people up there. Once we get up there, you'll see there's a lot of people up there. So we got little big guy, LBG, our Pocket 3 camera. We're rolling HLG, HDR, feel like you're there kind of video. That's what we do. And I'm just getting warmed up here, so there's gonna be a lot of music, so I'm gonna have to talk a lot. We can't have any like copyright music kind of going on, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna be talking over the music quite a bit. Sometimes I ramble because I have to. I do have my live stream equipment, so we'll see. I'm not sure if I'm going to be rocking the live streams today or not, but we will see. But yeah, there's a lot of people here. Wow. I'm going to take a little screenshot with my phone because for the live stream I'll need it. Pretty jumping here. Yeah, pretty cool, awesome here. All right, so yeah, there's music. I'm going to be talking whenever there's music. Have to. That's part of the game. Well, let's see what's going on here. Pretty awesome. Wow, this is a cool spot. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Great breeze today. The breeze is so nice. It's really, really nice weather today. Yeah, we got a lot of food trucks over here. Warrior Kitchen right there. Pina coladas, passion fruit, mango, banana, beach, strawberry, sushi, shish kebab, chicken and pork over here. Over that way, there's a line there. Yeah, they probably, they could be patting people down here. I don't know. I got the camera. It's not like a big deal, but I know in Perth Amboy they do that. So let's stroll around on the outskirts here a little bit, and then later we'll go more in the park. There's people in the park, on the grass, in the middle here. I've seen they do have some kind of stage. I hear somebody maybe on a stage. I did see online that there's some freestyle here, like TKA, which is pretty dope. Like that's a classic staple in this area, New York and New Jersey. I know a lot of people like the freestyle from my DJ days. So yeah, we're gonna be strolling around today.
Hey guys, how you doing today?
Oh, we got bubbles. Got the bubbles hitting the camera, hitting the little big guy, the bubbles. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So, yeah, let's walk around. Wow, nice place. All right, let's go. I gotta talk over the music, like I said. Okay, there's the stage. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. I'm gonna get a screenshot with my phone in case we do a live stream today, which we probably will.
Y de verdad que el orgullo aquí se siente y yo soy súper orgullosa de ser 100% nacida y de verdad me gustó.
Yeah, really, really cool out here today.
Y de verdad que esto para mí es un honor de este año ser la presidenta de esta organización que luchamos y de verdad hacemos esto para ustedes, para el pueblo. Gracias a todos por estar aquí y miren, antes de decir un poquito más, a las 4 de la tarde vamos a tener a Spider-Man en el dog tank, así que aquel que trajo unos 10 pesitos por ahí los veo en el dog tank, ¿ok? Nos vemos ahora.
All right, so yeah, we got copyright music. I definitely got to talk. So yeah, we're gonna be, I might have to cover some of this up with music. It's possible. I'm not exactly sure, but we will see. Yeah, super cool today. And you can see Staten Island from here, from what I know. Let's see if we can control over this way. All right, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Alright, alright, alright. Okie dokie. Let's go this way. Got people on the grass here hanging out. Alright, yeah, we might have to cover this up with music, I'm not sure. There's some, music in the background, so we will see. Wow, huge barge right there. Huge. So that's, as far as I know, that's Staten Island right there. So that's New York City across the way right here. And we can go this way. Let me go around. So the Goethals Bridge is right here. So that goes right to New York City right here. So we got, you can see how close New York and New Jersey are. It's like we're close neighbors here. but we're surrounded, you know, we're separated by the water. So it makes it seem a lot farther, of course. But yeah, so I can't go through this way. I got to go all the way around. We got Spider-Man over here. So yeah, pretty cool here. Good times, good times. Yeah, so New York City, there's the Goethals Bridge right over there. I don't know if you can see Manhattan from here. I'm trying to see what that is over there. I don't really see Manhattan from here. But we did have some crazy Canadian fires, and it still could be affecting a little bit of a haze. Maybe there's a little haze going on. It's a great day for the boating and all of that. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Hang out right by the festival on the boats, super cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Pretty wild. All right, so yeah, nice day today. The original plan was to head down to the Jersey Shore, but I wanted to come out and check this festival out. And let's stroll down here a little bit. Surprisingly, there's nobody really down this way. I don't know why. It's a great day to just walk around, I think. And okay, so these boards here, they look okay, I guess. But you got big cracks. You got some cracks in the boardwalks here. So you always got to watch when you got stuff in your pockets. You could drop something and it's gone. You drop something here, it's gone. Has that happened before? I don't know. It's possible. But they're not so bad. But there is some little spots, there's some cracks. So when you're walking on the boardwalk here, you definitely want to be sure that you have all of your stuff secured. That is the proper way of doing it here. So when we walk over this way, that could be Jersey City. Oh, okay, that is Manhattan. Yes, you can see Manhattan because I see the Freedom Tower. Okay. When you see the Freedom Tower, you know, okay, that's Manhattan. So to give you an idea of the way, I guess the way Staten Island and Manhattan kind of sit. So there's the Goethals Bridge right there, if you can see it. And then this is Staten Island right here. And then you have a bridge right there. Honestly, I'm not sure what bridge that is. And then you do have the Freedom Tower over that way. So that is Manhattan over there. So Manhattan is in front of me that way. So yes, you can see Manhattan from here. And if I had to judge how far it is from here, I would say about 12 miles, but I'm just guessing. But judging from what I see, I'm saying about 12 miles, maybe a little bit more or a little bit less. But I would say roughly the Freedom Tower is about that from here. And you can see Newark Airport is close. There's an airplane right there. There's a lot of airplanes flying around here. But yeah, this is a nice day here today in Elizabeth for the Puerto Rican Festival. They did have the parade this morning and then the festivities now. And from what I know, it runs till 10 p.m. and it starts at 12 p.m. So yeah, very, very cool. Elizabeth, New Jersey.